Alright, we finally beat the YouTube algorithm. We said fire enough times that we're getting more views. Also, the TikTok's blowing the fuck up, so we don't need to say fire or anything like that anymore. It's pretty decent.
Dude! Fuck! Film without me, dude? Not fire. Fuck, dude. Not fire at all. Fuck. Shut the fuck up, dude. Fuck.
That's not really shitting on Matt.
What the fuck, dude?
Why'd you give him the fake ID last night? Thought he was out till the crack of day.
When did you get back?
When did I get home?
Yeah.
Like 2 a.m.
Man, what happens when they look at the height on your list?
Dude, shut up, man.
And they're like, oh, 5'8", and then Buddy's standing here like...
It's 5'9" now, dude. Put an inch on.
You
Colby,
call
what
him,
the fuck
"Hey guys,
happened?
I grew an inch. You change it on my license.
Yeah, what the fuck happened to, yeah, I'm off work at 6, I'll probably be home in like just a few hours. What the fuck happened to that?
We just rode the night away.
Okay, so basically, he's late again.
Well, you lent him the fake ID. You lent him your ID, so that's on
Under the impression that he was going to be home.
Me and Adam got here at the same time.
Under the impression you're going to be responsible with the fake ID.
And Buddy, fuck, dude. Now you make Adam late. Like, what the fuck time is it? Shit. It's like...
It's like 9:30, bro.
Like 10 o'clock, man.
Okay, today, just got back from Lordco, paid $70 for a valve cover gasket. Actually criminal. We're gonna swap the valve cover gasket. Probably fix up some other things, dude. And then she should be good to go, dude. We'll do some skits. Don't even worry about it.
Colby, everything you film is fucking overexposed.
Every video
Fucking
filmed
skank.
here looks like we're in heaven, man.
We are, dude.
We
Looks like
are.
we're stepping off the UFO.
We're in beautiful British Columbia, dude. It's pretty much heaven on earth. What if, dude, we flip the switch and start saying icy instead of fire?
We should probably not say fire this much in this video.
Yeah, but think about it, dude. This shit's icy, dude.
So ice.
$70 valve cover gasket, icy.
When are we gonna start saying sauce?
Probably never.
What about drip?
Oh, the drip
I'm adding to the vocabulary.
The drip is coming, dude.
Dude, Genesis valve cover gasket? I only asked for the gasket and it looks like they sent me the spark plug gasket as well, so...
Well, it all comes to one.
Bonus points!
Panel beats!
Fuck! Alright, dude, I got 2? Oh, never mind. Optical illusion, dude. Dude, this is pretty fragile.
Should I not be fucking with this right now, dude?
Dude, not my handle beads, dude. Oh, we should have got that gold paint to paint the valve cover.
Dude, should I clip this?
Bite it. Yeah, so this is the damages, man. Straight ripped in half. Oh, that sounds gnarly, dude.
Shorty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like la da 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 every day. It's like my iPod's stuck on replay. Dude, I got you a condom for your XXX peen, dude. Take it. Use it.
Spreader.
No, dude. You guys are brothers. You genetically have the same
What is that?
micrometer penis. It's a condom for your micro peen.
Oh, thanks, dude.
You're welcome.
Take a whiff of that. What do you think?
Smells like fuck.
Pretty good. Dude, watch the fresh fender, dude.
Oh, fire transition, brah. Rock on!
Peace!
How you doing, Peace? Dude, our
Whoa, why is that loose, man?
What's loose?
The fucking gimbal.
Drop the camera, dude. Just smash me caught to glass.
Oh, fired it! Put the shake in it, shaking it, put the shake in it.
I'm so over this already. Do you even need brakes?
Brakes are for losers. Poo.
Shall I make sure it's good? Make sure it's not expired.
Yes, have a swift. Have a sip, love.
Just kidding, don't want to die.
Gonna wanna die.
Dude, there's like no fluid in this thing, dude. Don't even need to bleed them, dude.
What jar back do you need? Alright, cameraman's blowing it once again. Fucking idiot. We got some new flags in for the drop coming up. This is only half. I don't know where the fuck the other box is. I'm gonna open it with this Sleeman's Honey Brown Lager cap.
Oh, right on.
So let's get it fucking going.
Turn some fucking. Holy dick. Alright.
Oh, it's better than my future, man.
That's much better, dude.
Alright, cockage your way up. Alright,
Dude!
so you know this design we had a last drop. It got restocked. Then we have 2 new designs. Here's one of them. The other one hasn't shown up
Yeah,
yet.
let me get a close up of it.
Here, Kobe beef.
Dude!
Oh, it's vertical and you don't have to
Yeah.
hold it anymore. Beef point. Actually, you're pretty. You can hold it.
Yeah, Kobe, you're the
Here,
tallest
you
one.
hold it.
up.
Hold it by the top. Look at that.
Let me get
That thing's
full-
a beef, man.
Dude! We
Go
got
back
the smoke tires, not cigarettes on the bottom. Got the iconic Marlboro pack. Smoke tires, not cigarettes in the old Japanese there. Looks pretty right on, man.
Shit's fire, dude.
It's so fucking fire, dude.
That is pretty fire. These are super limited. The other one, designs coming. People are gonna be fired up. When those come, we'll open those on video. Cause
Really,
those
Changing
are
the
sick.
fucking game, dude.
Dude, yeah.
Okay, today is the last day this car hopefully sits in the driveway, dude.
All right, dude. I'll get it.
Got the keys right here, man.
Oh, is that a voice with small wheels forever?
It is, man. It's pretty unreal. Okay, all we gotta do today is bleed the brakes, and I'll call up ICBC, pull my pants down to my knees, and bend over.
You go from regular to then you put it on backwards. You're like, fire, dude. Get fired up, dude.
I'm gonna turn the car around because it's pissing rain. We're gonna bleed the brakes. Let's see if this thing drives, dude.
Oh, fire, dude.
Make sure I got the lugs are tight, eh?
Fire at all, dude. The autofocus on this is looking real good right now.
Because of the fucking ND, man. The variable ND filter. Got from Amazon. Thanks, Jeff Bezos. You use some fire transitions, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
Colby, learn to fucking film.
Man, we're rolling, man.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, Ed.
Dude, if you ruin the camera, it's coming out of your paycheck.
I don't have a paycheck.
Are you only checking front lights? What's the point of checking 2 out of 4?
Yeah,
Why am I missing like all the lugs?
watch this fire transition, dude.
Tighten them lugs, boy. I'm gonna beat your ass. This is so bummed, dude. Why is Jesus Christ pissing on the boys right now? They don't want us to win.
Jinx again, dude.
Jinx, dude. Fuck, great minds think alike, dude. Fucking man, dude. Is he gonna do his skirtsy? It's like a fucking move, dude. I guess this is Noah's first drive in it. Fucking fire, dude. Why is this running like fired up to the signal? First driving this, free bottle, dude.
Dude, it went in a second.
And I was like, you didn't even do a skirtsy.
Yeah, it doesn't have power steering. I forgot. There's
cares?
no fluid in it, man. It's so dicked. I was turning the corner and I thought it was gonna go. It just didn't go. And I was like,
There's no steering fluid in it.
no, because remember like half of it leaked out at
Yeah, but that's
gonna.
gonna destroy the rack if you drive with no power steering
Yeah, maybe
fluid.
we should get some ATF and chuck it in there, dude.
My calculations show that 49% of you fucks aren't subbed.
It's going down.
What's that now? The fuck's going on?
Adam and I have dreams too, okay? Just, you think the content's... I'm not gonna say it. You think the content's good right now? Just imagine how good it would be if we had 100K, man. Adam and I had a little conversation the other day. If we hit 100K, we're wearing suits in every video.
Yeah, you hear that? No, let's make a more realistic goal. What happens if we hit 15K?
15K?
We'll buy ice. We'll buy
15K,
ice.
We'll buy some ice. We'll buy some fire hats, and we'll also do a Q&A.
Yeah. 15K. We'll buy chains. We'll spend like 15 racks on chains that say Moist Boys on them. That are iced out, okay?
43.1.
Okay, so 43.1% of you fucking small schlong mother bitches aren't sub. Like, what's going on? It's free. It's right there. While you're there, like the video. Come on. Oh, wait. Hit the button. Subscribe. Let's go.
Alright, we're going up on the pinch welds, cause...
Fucking rail it, dude.
Dude! Why are you always sitting down?
You'd really expect that when we pay you fucking nothing, you do a good job.
Paying you nothing for nothing, right?
Yeah, we're paying you nothing for something.
Oh, dude, these bleeders are looking crustier than... Yeah, I know I will. Fuck out the way, man.
Hey, what the fuck's going on, man?
I'm just letting it sit, letting it soak, dude. Let it marinate. Let it marinate back there. Okay, does that feel any better yet? Yep. Really?
Hey, we need to do both sides.
Yeah. Okay, wait, I'm gonna hold it up and give it another push.
Oh. Look out, dude. I'm fucking skating here, dude.
Oh, get your fucking ass off the chair.
Man, there's no point in standing.
It looks way better.
You're so low.
Dude, the video from the other day, you're like literally pointing to the fucking sky to film us. Like, just fucking stand.
I'm on your level, bro.
We're not paying you for nothing, dude. Yeah, we're not paying you for nothing. We're paying you for fucking something.
Jinx!
Jinx again, dude!
You on a tour of the canals in Venice, dude? When the moon hits your eye like a big piece of pie, summer. Did I look like one of those Venice people?
That looked pretty close.
Hopefully I don't hit a pebble, dude, and fucking destroy the tour of the canals. Fucking damn-ass gas rock, dude. So I don't know, how's the wrenching going?
Fucking sucks, man.
That sucks for you, dude.
Wrenching in the fucking rain with minimal space is not fire.
Oh, you fuck. Put Jord back in, dude. Put Jord back in, dude.
Oh my god, man.
Dude, I didn't know we were having fucking cake for lunch. Oh, wow, this is on the ground?
Why are you fucking sitting in the chair still?
Well, you're not wrenching, man.
I'm wrenching. Dude, you're like in the fucking way and all this
I'm
shit.
the only one doing anything.
Now you're in the way. Dude,
Bro.
You're fucking fired again.
You're just never happy.
It's always Colby's fault.
I decided the weather today.
It's pretty much 80% Colby's fault, let's be real.
Does it look pretty fire?
It looks pretty fine.
Alright, trust. Trust.
Dude,
Okay.
no cap.
Trust. He's not capping when he says it looks
He's not capping at all?
Yeah, trust.
Alright, fire.
I'll top it up while you put the wheel back on.
Okay.
Bleeding Noah's power steering.
Still going down?
No. Oh, slower.
Getting the fucking workout in, eh?
This is dope, man.
Holy shit. Alright. Well. It's ready to rip now. Fire. It's the new settings and DND, dude.
Everything's gonna be out of focus.
100%.
Watch camera.
Well, if only we could drive it now. That's that, dude. She's ready for the streets now. Finally.
Street sweeper.
6 months later. Fire. Decent. That's the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video when this thing has insurance on it. We'll drive it around and figure out everything that's wrong with it. It's gonna be absolutely fucking dick. It feels weird saying that word now.
What?
Just dick, Dave. Looks pretty ugly right now. I'm waiting for the bump ski to come in. Then it'll look ugly with a cool bumper. And then once the wheels come in, fire hazard, dude. Anyways, comment. What should they comment?
What?
Are we doing giveaways again?
I think we should.
Will they win?
Winning.
Vinyl?
A new
A
one?
new
Unreleased.
vinyl.
Unreleased vinyl, you'll win.
What do they gotta comment?
Your Instagram handle.
And your favorite word you've ever heard.
Yeah, okay. That's the end of the video. Fucking subscribe. Skidoo. Fart. Brah.